Hi everyone, once again, welcome back to our online learning platform SP Lessons. So, today we are going to continue our previous session topics, that is some general awareness questions for all type of competitive exams, whether these exam related to SSC, MTS, SSC, CGL, SSC, GD, Constable, SSC, CHSL. So, let's begin. Uh, a candidate to become a member of Rajya Sabha should not be less than 30 years of age. This question has asked in SSC CPO essay. The maximum strength of the elected members of the House of the People, Lok Sabha, is 545. How many readings does a non-money bill have in each house of the parliament? 3. By which bill does the government propose collection of revenues for a year? Finance bill. The Indian Parliament is competent to enact law on state subject if emergency under Article 352 is in operation. The President of India enjoys emergency powers of three types. The Vice President of India is elected by the elected members of the Parliament. A bill referred to a joint sitting of the two houses of the Parliament is required to be passed by a simple majority of the members present. Constitutional head of the Government of India is President, who certifies a bill to be a money bill in India, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. In case of the President wishes to resign, to whom he is to visit his resignation letter? Vice President. The Speaker's vote in the Lok Sabha is called casting vote. The Council of Ministers does not include Cabinet Secretary. Although Union list, State list, and concurrent list cover the entire legislative business, yet there may be an item not mentioned anywhere. Who will legislate on that item? Parliament only. The most important feature of the Indian Parliament is that the upper house of the Parliament is never dissolved. How many times the President of India can seek re-election to his post? Any number of times. President of India cannot appoint Speaker of the Lok Sabha. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has recently raised the emoluments of the President, the Vice President, and the Governors. The emolument payable to the President has been raised to 1.50 lakhs from 50,000 per month. Tenure of the Prime Minister of India is as long as he enjoys the support of a majority in the Lok Sabha. Who held the office of the Vice President of India for 2 consecutive terms? Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. When there is a vacancy in the office of the President and the Vice President at the same time, the office is held temporarily by the Chief Justice of India. The parliamentary committee which scrutinizes the report of the Controller and Auditor General of India is Public Accounts Committee. The Prime Minister of India is appointed. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha has to address his or her letter of resignation to Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. A presidential ordinance can remain in force for 6 months. How many members of the Anglo-Indian community can be nominated by the President of India to the Parliament? 2. Who can initiate impeachment of the President? 1/4 members of either House of Parliament. What can the President do if a state fails to comply with the directives of the central government? He can declare the breakdown of constitutional machinery in the state and resume responsibility for the governments of the state. The declaration of constitutional emergency in an Indian state has to be approved by the parliament within a period of 2 months. The number of subjects in the union list of the Indian constitution is 100. How many members of the Rajya Sabha retire from the house every 2 years? 1/3 of the total members. How many times was the term of the Lok Sabha extended up to 6 years? Once. Tax revenue of the union government, the most important source is union excise duties. The maximum strength prescribed for state legislative assemblies is 500. If the Anglo-Indian community does not get adequate representation in the Lok Sabha, two members of the community can be nominated by the President. For the election of President of India, a citizen should have completed the age of 35 years. A member of parliament will lose his membership of parliament if he is continuously absent from sessions for 60 days. Which innovative discussion process is introduced by the Indian Parliament to the old parliamentary systems? 0R. Indian Parliament means President of India, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. Which method is used to ascertain the public opinion on important legislation? Initiative. The final authority to interpret our constitution is the Supreme Court. The Parliament can legislate on subjects given in the Union list only in constitution with the state government for the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The voting age in India was lowered from 21 years to 18 years through constitutional amendment. Indian constitution has divided the powers and function of the state into three lists. The President of India can nominate how many members from the Anglo-Indian community to the Lok Sabha? 2. A joint sitting of the two houses of Indian Parliament is presided over by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. On the subjects mentioned in the concurrent list, laws may be enacted by the states and the union. The maximum number of started questions that can be asked in Lok Sabha on a particular day is 20. Rajya Sabha being a permanent house, one-third of its members retire every 2 years. The joint session of both the houses of parliament is summoned by President. Supreme Commander of Forces in India is President. The residuary powers of the Indian Union are vested with the centre. The maximum number of nominated members to the Rajya Sabha are 12. One-third of the members of the Rajya Sabha retire every 2 years. The Vice President of India can be removed by the Rajya Sabha with the concurrence of Lok Sabha. A midterm poll is conducted when the Lok Sabha is dissolved before completion of its terms. A proclamation of emergency caused by war or external aggression must be approved by both houses of parliament within 1 month. Implementing laws in the function of executive. Education is related to concurrent list. Can a person who is not a member of parliament be appointed as a minister? Yes, but he has to become a member of parliament within 6 months of his appointment. Who can legislate on those residual matters which are not mentioned in central state concurrent list? Parliament or state legislatures as adjudicated by the Supreme Court. The salary of the members of parliament is decided by the parliament. Who held the office of the Vice President of India for 2 full terms? S. Radhakrishnan. If the Speaker of Lok Sabha intends to vacate his office before the expiry of his term, he sends his resignation to Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. The Parliament enjoys the exclusive right to legislate on the subjects contained in the Union list. A bill is certified as money bill in Lok Sabha by the Speaker. When the Vice President officiates as President of India, he draws the salary of President. Who presides over the joint sitting of the Parliament in India? The Speaker of Lok Sabha. The right to nominate members to Rajya Sabha rests with the President. The power to create or abolish the upper house of the state legislature belongs to the Parliament. Which type of emergency has not been declared so far in India? Financial emergency. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha enjoys the right to vote only in case of a tie. During financial emergency, all money bills passed by the state legislature are to be reserved for the consideration of the President. The Committee on Subordinate Legislation deals with delegated legislation. Rajya Sabha has no role in the election of the Speaker. The policy that deals with the tax and expenditure policies of the government is called fiscal policy. If the Speaker of Lok Sabha wishes to tender his resignation, he has to address his letter to the Deputy Speaker. Money bills can be introduced in the Lok Sabha with prior permission of the President. The President of India who held office for 2 terms was Babu Rajendra Prasad, who nominates persons for various parliamentary delegations to foreign countries. The Speaker of Lok Sabha, a joint sitting of both houses of parliament may be convened to consider a bill which has passed by one house and kept pending by other for 6 months. Who will administer the oath of office to the person who is to take over as a president? The Chief Justice of India. The President of India is the head of the state as well as the government. When a constitutional amendment bill goes to the president, he is bound to give his assent. Vice President who resigned from his office to contest for the office of the President is V.V. Giri. Term of a member of the Rajya Sabha is 6 years. The Vice President is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. According to the Indian Constitution, the minister shall hold office during the pleasure of President of India. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? Speaker of the Lok Sabha. How many types of emergencies are envisated by the Constitution? 3. Who calls the joint session of the two houses of the Parliament? The President. No confidence motion against the Union Council of Ministers can be initiated in the Lok Sabha only. What is the maximum age limit prescribed for the post of President of India? There is no maximum age limit. What is the quorum required for convening the Lok Sabha? 1 by 10. In the parliamentary form of government, he is the first among equal. Who is he? Prime Minister. The chairman of the Public Accounts Committee in the Indian Parliament is the leader of opposition party. The gap between first no confidence motion and second no confidence motion should be 6 months. The expenditure made on which who does not require budgetary approval every year in India. Natural calamities. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of 6 years. From which fund can the unanticipated expenditure be met without the prior approval of the Parliament? Contingency Fund of India. One of the important attributes of parliamentary form of government is collective responsibility of Council of Ministers to the Parliament. The Parliament and the Constitution are the instruments of economic justice. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. 0 hour in the working of the Indian Parliament means interval between question hour and next agenda. In which year was the House of the People named as Lok Sabha? 1954. Nomination of Rajya Sabha members by the President was taken from the Constitution of Ireland. If the Prime Minister of India submits his resignation to the President, it will mean the resignation of the entire Council of Ministers. 0 hour is the discretion of Speaker. The President of India can issue a proclamation of national emergency only in the written recommendation of the Council of Ministers of the Union. Dismiss is not associated with Parliament. Which type of emergency has been imposed only one time in India? Internal emergency. When was national emergency imposed by the President of India on the grounds of internal disorder? 1975. Committee which is not a standing committee of the Parliament is Consultative Committee to the Minister of Finance. The ministers in the Union government hold office during the pleasure of the President. If Parliament appoints a committee for a specific purpose, it is known as ad hoc committee. Who is the presiding of the